Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Did you know that the average American spends over $1,000 a year on coffee? Yes, you heard that right. Just imagine what you could do with that money if you put it to work for you instead. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance and exploring the power of making your money work for you. It's not just about saving every penny you earn. It's about using your money in smart and strategic ways to secure a better financial future. Money is a powerful tool that can either work for you or against you. It all depends on how you choose to manage it. Making your money work for you involves strategic planning, discipline, and a long-term perspective. The first step in making your money work for you is to create a budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and allocating your money accordingly. By creating a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending and redirect those funds towards savings or investments. Once you have a budget in place, the next step is to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that is specifically designated for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. By having an emergency fund, you can avoid going into debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. After establishing an emergency fund, the next step is to pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can eat away at your finances and prevent you from building wealth. By prioritizing debt repayment, you can free up more money to put towards savings and investments. Once you have paid off high-interest debt, the next step is to start investing. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. There are many different investment options to choose from, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In addition to investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can protect yourself against market fluctuations and increase your chances of earning a positive return. Another key aspect of making your money work for you is to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks or IRAs. These plans offer tax advantages and employer-matching contributions, which can help you grow your retirement savings faster. By contributing to these plans regularly, you can build a nest egg for your future. In addition to saving for retirement, it's important to set other financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house, starting a business, or funding your children's education. By setting specific goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you can stay motivated and focused on building wealth. Before you go farther, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks, and we'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences with making your money work for you in the comments below. Let's support and learn from each other on this journey to financial empowerment. Thanks for subscribing and continue the video. So making your money work for you is about leveraging your financial resources to generate passive income and build wealth over time. Here are some key strategies to help you achieve financial independence and make your money work for you. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define your objectives. Know what you want to achieve with your money. Goals might include retirement savings, buying a home, funding education, or financial independence. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan to reach your goals, including timelines and specific financial targets. 2. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This fund provides financial security and prevents you from dipping into your investments. Number 3. Pay off high-interest debt. Eliminate high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off credit card debt and other high-interest loans. Reducing debt frees up more money for investing and prevents interest from eroding your wealth. 4. Invest in the stock market. Stocks. Invest in individual stocks of companies you believe in. Stocks offer high potential returns but come with higher risk. Index funds and ETFs. These funds provide broad market exposure and are less risky than individual stocks. They often have lower fees and are a great way to diversify. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay regular dividends. Reinvesting dividends can significantly increase your returns over time. 5. Diversify your investments. Asset allocation. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification reduces risk. Geographical diversification. Invest in international markets to protect against local market downturns. 6. Maximize retirement contributions. 401k and IRAs. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your long-term savings. Roth IRA. Consider a Roth IRA for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but growth and withdrawals are tax-free. 7. Generate passive income. Real estate. Invest in rental properties to generate a steady stream of passive income. Consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, if you prefer not to manage properties directly. Dividends. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds. Dividends provide regular income that can be reinvested or used for expenses. Peer-to-peer lending. Use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper to lend money to individuals or small businesses. Earn interest on your loans as a form of passive income. Great. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Automating your finances ensures consistent contributions and reduces the temptation to spend. Robo-advisors. Use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to automate investment management. These platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. 9. Continuously educate yourself. Read books and articles. Invest in your financial education by reading books and articles on personal finance and investing. Some recommended books include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. Take online courses. Enroll in online courses on personal finance and investing to enhance your knowledge and skills. Stay updated on market trends, economic news, and investment opportunities. 10. Review and adjust your plan. Periodically review your financial plan and investments to ensure they align with your goals. Adjust your strategy as needed, based on changes in your financial situation or market conditions. Rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. This involves selling high-performing assets and buying underperforming ones. In conclusion, making your money work for you involves creating a budget, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing, diversifying your portfolio, taking advantage of retirement plans, setting financial goals, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan. By following these steps and staying disciplined, you can build wealth and achieve financial security for the future. If you find value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to get more information on financial freedom and wealth management. There are 2 videos that I prepared for you. These videos will add more value to your life. Click on one of them and watch to improve your wealth mindset.